Hello and welcome back to Flying Bobbins. I'm here today to talk to you about next month's project, which is the Ginger Jeans by Closet Core Patterns. Now, by popular demand, everyone was asking me to feature a pair of jeans in my sew-along club. And these jeans are really great. They get great reviews, very popular style that a lot of people have made. And obviously, because it's Closet Core Patterns, a really well put together pattern with lots of really great instructions and resources as well. So this will feature as the next sew along next month. I'm going to take you through now the different choices of denim and trims that I have put together for the packs. So if you are a member of the Flying Bobbins High Five Sew Along Club, then you can go online from the 5th of February and pre-order your jeans kit, which will contain everything you need to make your ginger jeans. The full sew along for the ginger jeans, you'll be watching me and sewing with me as I make my own pair, will launch on the 5th of March. You need to make sure that you sign up to the High Five Club before the 20th of February to make sure that you are included in the Ginger Jeans sew along, and you need to make sure also that you have ordered your kit by then if you're going to order one, because from the 20th of February I shall be busy cutting out all the kits and sending them out to you ready for the sew along, which will launch on the 5th of March. If you've got any questions about the Flying Bobbins High Five Sew Along Club, then just pop a message below. I shall also put links to my website. In short, it's a monthly sew along club. I feature a new pattern every month. You can see I'm wearing my Cali shirt dress. I do feature a range of different patterns from different pattern companies based on what people are asking me to cover, and each project will cover different skills as well that you will find interesting and useful for your sewing and dressmaking projects. And the High Five Club is £5 per month for the video link, or £20 per month for the video link and the paper pattern mailed to you. So let's talk about the Ginger Jeans by Closet Core Patterns. This pattern features two different leg shapes, a true skinny or a stovepipe, which is a straight slim leg, and two rises, a low or a high rise, with a traditional Western look, so a Western 5-pocket traditional jean. And you've got all of the details on there: patch pockets, ticket pockets, adding rivets, jeans buttons, top stitching, loads and loads of features and details which you will really enjoy sewing. It's a good challenge for somebody wanting to progress their skills there, with lots of new techniques to learn. And of course, jeans are such a wardrobe staple. It's really good to be able to know how to make your own jeans, because once you've kind of mastered that and you've got a really good fit, then you can obviously make different styles, different colours. So it's a really great pattern to add to your repertoire. Size-wise, this goes from a 0 to a 20, which is a waist of 24 inches for the 0, up to 39 inches for the size 20, and a curve pattern is available from Closet Core Patterns, which features the extended size range for a curvaceous figure. Fabric suggestions: you're going to need to use a stretch denim. So this pattern is designed for stretch fabrics. You don't want to use a 100% cotton denim without any elastane in it. The jeans will be too tight and clingy. So this is designed to have stretch in it. You need at least 2% elastane or lycra. Really lightweight denims aren't suitable, so go for a mid-weight. The denim I'm featuring in the kits is a 10-ounce denim. The minimum you should use is 8 ounces according to the pattern here. You're going to need a few other supplies as well, which I'll talk you through. But to be honest with you, you don't have to stop at denim. You could get a really fabulous stretch twill, and they come in lots of different colours, or even a stretch cord as well to make yourself some cord jeans. Once you've mastered the art, the possibilities really are endless. So let's talk you through the three options that I've put together for denim. I've got the three classic colours of black, indigo and mid blue. This is the black denim here, and included in your jeans making kit you will get the required amount of black denim. How much you get will depend on which kit you order, depending on which size jeans you want to make. And then you can choose between the bronze pack or the silver pack. So each pack includes jeans button, rivets and top stitching thread, and you've got the choice of the silver colour. This looks blue because it's reflecting the sky above. It's not got blue on it actually. I'm just looking at my camera there and it looks really blue. It's just a reflection. This is just a traditional silver. Don't be put off by the blue. That is a blue sky reflection. So it's not blue or green or anything like that. It is a lovely silver colour. And then you've got the silver top stitch thread or the tan colour top stitch thread to go with those. I'm also including in the kit some specific denim thread to match your denim. So the thread here is for sewing the jeans, and then you've got a top stitch thread there for adding your top stitch detailing. And then jeans needles and top stitch needles as well. You also need 1/2 metre of interfacing, and you need some fabric for the pocket bags. And I've just got this really pretty polka dot fabric that goes well with these black jeans here. So if you take a look online, you will see a choice of kits, and you can go for the black denim there with either the tan or the silver colour choice. And just as an extra, if you would rather not have a visible top stitch, I also have the black top stitch thread which matches the denim. So if you're a bit worried about your top stitching pinging out, then you could just go for a top stitch that matches the fabric itself, and that just gives you a different choice of the finished look, really, whether you're going to have the visible top stitching or just the dyed to match top stitching, which will give you a flatter, plainer, more minimalistic look. Next up, I'd like to show you the mid blue denim, which is an absolutely beautiful colour, really, really great for spring. And you know, black jeans are a great staple to have in your wardrobe. I think the blue is lovely to have for summer with gorgeous white tops. It will look really, really nice. So again, you get your length of denim, you get your zip, your metalwork, which you have the choice of bronze or silver, and then your tan and grey top stitching thread. And once again, you can use the colour matched top stitch thread if you would prefer for your top stitching to sink into the denim a bit more. And you also get your denim thread there, specially created by Gutermann for sewing jeans, your top stitch and your jeans needles, some lovely blue fabric, pale blue spotty fabric for your pocket bags, and interfacing as well. So once again, everything you need to make your jeans in this gorgeous summery blue colour. And then finally we have our classic indigo. So this is a classic indigo denim, really nice dark colour, and once again that comes with your YKK jean zip, your choice of bronze or silver metalwear with your choice of tan or grey top stitch thread, with indigo top stitch thread as well as an extra choice should you wish for your stitching to sink into the denim. And then again you get your jeans and your top stitch needles, your interfacing, your colour matched indigo denim thread, and some lovely navy blue pin spot fabric for your pocket bags. So that's the 3 choices of denim. So just to show you the fabric itself, these are all the same quality, just 3 different colours. 6% elastane with a really nice amount of stretch there, really comfy for your slimmer fitted jeans. And full details of all of those kits will be available on flyingbobbins.com, and don't forget that if you are a High Five Sew Along Club member, then you will get your discount on those kits as well. So thank you for watching today. I hope that rundown of next month's project has got you excited to make your very own pair of skinny jeans. If you subscribed last month, then you will be able to find the full sew along for the Cali shirt dress that I'm wearing via the link that you would have been sent on the 5th of January. You will find the full sew along there via that link. And the full jean sew along will be available if you're a subscriber. That will pop up for you here in this playlist on the 5th of March. So happy sewing everyone. As always, do let me know if you have any questions at all. I'm here to help, and I hope you have a lovely month.